Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do a direct and calculated aggregation inside the table. This aggregation means it's calculated automatically by itself and it can't be modified. We'll prepare the table we want and enter some items, quantities, and prices so we can see this automatic sum feature in action. Watch how it adds up by itself and we don't have to change anything. Now we'll add some food items like sugar, oil, pasta, and so on. We'll enter the quantities and see how this automatic calculation works. Let's check the result and see if it comes out correctly. We're still adding the contents, so the example is clear and accurate in front of us. At the same time, this is a really nice feature in Microsoft Access. The only downside is that if you move Microsoft Access to Oracle, it won't recognize it. That's the only issue with this technique. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now we'll go into the Table and Design view, set this as the criteria, and multiply the item price by the quantity in the table so we can see the aggregation together. Now we'll create a feature to multiply the item by its quantity, and we'll name the result E. That's it for the design. Now I'm going to fill in the data with the food items, quantities, and prices. We'll add an item like pasta, enter the quantity, and the price will be automatically fetched. The numeric field E will calculate the total amount. It multiplies the quantity by the price and gives you the total in field E. Now we'll repeat the same for other items like oil and sugar. Enter the quantities and pay attention to field E. It will show the multiplied value, that is, the quantity times the price. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I really appreciate your follow-up. It's an honor. Thank you, and see you next time.